We are in lighting experience. Now, if you go to any of the standard lighting app, the first item is a home. We call it a tab in classic. So here we can call tab or navigation item. The first navigation item in the item panel of marketing app is home, and that is going to be the same for all standard apps. Okay. So this is a standard home page. This is one type of lighting page, home page. At home page. Then I am going to any of record. So this is a record detail page. Detail page. In Salesforce Classic also we have seen the detail page that was different. What you have was only the details. This page layout only was there. This page layout. This page layout is nothing but whatever the layout builder using which the layout builder you have developed this one. 2 columns, etc., etc. The same thing. But the rest of the things you have activity tab, charter tab, news, and you have something called path over here, stage path. Okay. Stage 1, stage 2, blah, 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 blah. Things are there. Okay. And you have highlights panel over there. Highlights panel already we discussed, and you have done compact layout also. Okay. So this is the second layout called record page. And the third page is app page, single page application. Okay. So you have got complete freedom to put whatever the component that you wanted to have. Right. So coming to this lighting, this is one component called highlights panel component. This is stage component, and this is detail component. This is tab panel component, tab component, etc., etc. Things are there. So using those standard lighting components, you can customize your lighting pages. Okay. By seeing that, we will move to the next page, that is programmatic. So let us have a lighting app builder. Lighting builder, where you develop okay. Right. So you develop these things then page layout builder. So here we are going to have lightning app builder. Done. As usual, we need to have a setup app. Where you can search for app builder, lighting app builder. In the user interface, you have lighting app builder. Right. This is one traditional way where I have custom lighting pages available over here. There are not there. So let me click on new to have a new page where it will ask me what type of page you wanted to develop. Is it a home page? Is it a record page? Or is it an app page? An app page is nothing but one page. You put everything, whatever you want. Okay. Then I will click on next, and it will ask me to give some label. I will be giving label, and after that it is asking me to take what is the page format that you want. 2 regions. In case of desktop, it will be there. In case of tablet, horizontal, it will be like this. Tablet, vertical, it will be like this. And mobile phone, it will be like this. 3 regions, it will be like that. Header and 3 regions, it will be like that. Header and right sidebar, it will be like that. Header and left sidebar, right? So whatever the format you want to have, you will be taking and you will clicking on finish. You will be creating like that, and you will assign these pages to the user's profiles. That is one thing. A quick way of doing is, for example, home page is there, right? I add home page. By going to the setup red symbol, I have edit page. Then simply I will click on that edit page. This is for only Shah trainer, right? If it is Salesforce trainer, you can do quick way of doing. So you have some standard 32 components, custom components, no custom components. So we don't know how to create custom lightning components as of now. So standard components you have like this. You can have a flow also over there, list view also over there, etc., etc., etc. over there, right? Okay. So like this, you are going to have your home page. For example, flow. Already have developed some flow now. Put it, and it will ask for give me the name of the flow. So Shah full name flow was there, where it is an activated flow. Okay, an activated flow. So click save, and it is asking to activate the page, means assignment to user's profile. So org default means for everyone. App default means application level, and it is profile level. So I will say this is the same for everybody. Save it. So it is affected to everyone home page. Now if I check it, go back. So lightning means you have to reload to get it, or simply re-log in. So you have got it, your flow over there. Okay. Right. So this is flow is one component, a standard component, a standard lightning component that you can use. And Visual Force page can also be used. Launchpad, list view. For example, I want to have the list view of so and so. Let me have list view of search for the accounts or donors or club. And filter also. You have various filters, Shah donors, O negative, something like that. And you want to have one more list view, yeah, you can have one more list view also. And you have Visual Force page, you have tabs, your rich text, right? Text also. Like this you will be having. Okay, this is one thing. You save it and you already activated, you save it. Simply I will go there and say edit the page. Edit page. We have 35 type of standard components that you can use for a record page. For a home page, you have same those number. Remember that. For example, you want to have list view already. You can put list view, etc. Or rich text, anything. These are the things that you want to put. Or Visual Force page already have created one Visual Force page. You want to put it somewhere or here or there or there. We don't have Visual Force page set. Okay, so we don't know how to create as of now. So after having it, you can use Visual Force also. Rich text I want to put, yeah, somewhere I will be putting, dragging and dropping the rich text component. So right side you have its detail where you configure that component. This is the right side configuration. Do something, say a chance or something like that, and you can use, since this is rich text, you can do all these things. Something like that. So like that, you can put whatever you want to put. List view component, flow component, anything like that. For example, I want to have flow also here and select the name of the flow. Here, configuration panel, select something like that. Okay. Save it, activate it. It is asking form factor, right? Form factor means desktop is one thing, phone is one thing, both is another thing. So whatever you want, select it. Okay. If you go back, reload. Yeah, it's there already. Thank you. So your flow was there. Whatever the flow you have created or creating account, create donor, some flow, it's there. And this is a rich text format, whatever you have given, it's there, done. And one more thing, yeah, it's working fine. One more thing, any component, I wanted to render it conditionally. Since we have put this component, flow component, it's coming happy, I'm happy. Okay, let it be done. This rich text component, let it be there. What if I want to display this component only on a specific condition? For example, I have industry rating. So primary, if this contact, I mean, if this lead, this guy is a primary contact, then only display this full name flow. Okay. If he is not a primary contact, don't display this flow. Okay. Conditional rendering. Right. Write down. I am not writing. Conditional rendering. How to achieve this? Let's go back to page layout again. It's nothing but app builder. Lightning app builder. So traditionally, already I have shown you that is one way you create there. What is the type of page you wanted to create? Then you will assign. That is one thing. And straightforward, quickly you can do this one also. This particular flow component, what it is there? Set component visibility. This is called conditional rendering. So we add a filter. So what is the thing that you want to have for form factor of desktop? It has to be there. For phone only, it has to be there. Or at advanced level, you can do something. And record field level, if the field of primary, or else if the annual revenue is greater than, yeah, you can take this one also. If annual revenue is greater than 50,000, okay, let's take this one. Or you can take primary contact, yes or no, is also fine. So 50,000, then only something went wrong. Annual revenue greater than 50,000. Okay, then only you have to render this flow. Okay, so this is the flow. We have component visibility. Save and activate. Already activated now. Save it. Go back. Let's check now. So this flow was not there because flow is there because annual revenue might be greater than 50,000. Okay. So what I am doing, let me make it 50,000 or 45,000. Okay. Now So what happened? Flow is not there. Flow is not there. Conditional rendering. What we call is conditional rendering. Again, let me put 50,000 more than 50,001. The flow will be there. It's there. Okay. So this is conditional rendering. Happy. Then let's go for the app page. App page is nothing but you are going. You are going to have a tab here where you app page will be there. In the app page, whatever the components you have designed, that will be displaying over there. Right. For this compulsory, you need to have Lightning App Builder. Through Lightning App Builder, we can do search for Lightning App Builder something. Under the user interface, you have Lightning App Builder. So these are the two things you have done so far. One is home page, one is record page. Now have one more page of app page. Give some name. So whatever the format you want to write, have it. Okay. Yeah, put it, whatever the component. So only 17 type of components you can use. 17 type of standard Lightning components we can use it. Take at the top flow, for example. Here also top right side. And here you can have a list view of what object, account, and filter all accounts. That is one thing. And have one more list view. So have donors or club something. Okay. So like again filter. What is the filter you want? Show all donors something. Save it. Activate it. Activate for system admin. Activate for all users. And Lightning experience. We have sales Lightning app. Shah first Lightning app. Shah Blade Donation Camp app. Etc. Etc. So where you want to have it. For example, blood donation camp. Add it. Then Shah first Lightning app also. Add it. And sales app also. Add it. Coming to the mobile mobile navigation menu. So under the mobile navigation menu, you are adding it. Where Shah app page is here under smart search items. So if you install Salesforce mobile app on your Apple or Android, okay, whatever the item you put under the smart search items, that will be as an item. If you put above this, that will be like an app. Okay, same thing. It is Shah app page only. If you move here, that will be looking like an app, right? You install it and you check it. And whatever the first item is here, no? So that will be defaultly displayed on your mobile phone once you log in, right? This is about your mobile navigation menu. So somewhere you put it. Otherwise, if I put it here, app page. So on your mobile app, once you log in, this is the item that will be displayed. Save it. So for Shah Lightning app and sales app, right? You have given it. Move there. This is marketing. Okay, move to sales. Sales. Shah blood donation something. So you have your item over there. Shah app page is there, right? Shah app page is there. Or if you move to Shah Lightning or something, blood donation. Shah app page is there, right? You can reorder by giving it. We can't launch this flow because of the variable errors in this message, something. Okay. So what is the problem? We will rectify it and you will see it. We have a list view of accounts and a list view of donors, etc., etc., etc. Right. And you can edit a page from here straightforward. Once developed, you can do that. So the flow, what is the name you have not given? Shah full name application, sorry, flow, and here also the same thing. Okay, it will work now. And you want any rich text also somewhere. Rich text. Yeah, you can put it here. App page. This is your app page. So flow is working. So here also we have flow. Okay. Right. Already you know restriction visibility. So what you have observed, home page, record page, app page, and also conditional rendering. Nothing but restrict visibility.